You wouldn't be a successful company if you weren't riding that wave of video. And I want to ride right along beside you by creating the video stories that set your brand apart. Hi, I'm Marcy Klein, CEO and Emmy-winning director at Klein Creative Media. I spent 20 years as a reality TV director on shows like Dr. Phil, Inside Edition, and E! Entertainment Television, honing my storytelling skills while always carving out time to go surfing. Because surfing in the ocean is like diving into creativity. It's where I contemplate story ideas and write my client scripts in my head long before my hands ever reach a computer keyboard. The zen surfing brings to my life has defined my own brand and helped create my unique company culture and style. Now you create video content to promote your community engagement, your company culture, for in-house sales, training videos, and so much more. And every video that you produce redefines your brand. Our job is to listen to your vision, collaborate with you and your creative team, coach you for on-camera delivery, shoot with video, stills, and drones, and together turn your vision into a story that's on point and on brand. We believe our inspiration from the sea, paired with our Hollywood know-how, translates to a unique customer experience and quality deliverables that will elevate your brand. Every brand is as unique as a footprint in the sand. Your videos should be too. What's your story? Let us tell it for you.